1997 Lincoln Mark VIII update. This is what we got going on. We got the radiators in. That's, 4-core with the fan controller mounted. Everything is operational. Adjustable fan controller temporarily works great. I'm running at 9 volts. Slow the fan down a little bit with this, and then it runs regular off the stock computer also when the AC runs and at a certain temperature. I think it's 2 something. I don't know. But that's where we're at. And yeah, so this is the addition with the operational fan. Fan shroud works amazing. This is the best fan in the business. Don't take that much power. I don't know what they're talking about. It take all this power. It runs with the car off, and it barely draws any power. So very good fans, the best in the business. Best air draw. Fan sits off the radiator, and then you got shroud area, real shroud area. So it's a big pull with that fan, stock fan. So that's the progress. We got a new IAC OEM, or at least as close as you can get. I forget the brand, but and new same thing as this one, whatever that brand is. That's the closest you can get to the OEM. So we got the mass airflow sensor. That's brand new, and everything runs great. Let me get a fire up. Fire this. It's not a cold start. Not a cold start. Car's already warmed up. Runs off. Ferocious. So that's the update. That's the update on 1997 Lincoln Mark VIII Zone Enterprise Racing update. See you.